Yes.
This call is now.
Local self government. The lesson name is local self government. Okay. And today, the notes which I send you, please see that you copy down in your note Fairbooks today itself. Okay, girls, is
Okay.
it is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Now I'll share. Yes, beta. Say any doubt?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo. Can you see my screen, girls?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see now? We, मैं स्क्रीन नहीं देख पा रहे हो?
नहीं, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम आप दिख रही है.
We finished all this part, right? Sources of income in Gram Panchayat, functions of Gram Panchayat, Samaras Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat. Did we finish Taluka Panchayat, beta? Hello? Taluka Panchayat TDO also we finished, right? Now we will see about District Panchayat. Is it clear? District Panchayat. Yes, Rabia, read better District Panchayat.
Yes, ma'am. District Panchayat. District Panchayat is a third level in the local self-government. District Panchayat is the topmost level of three-dimensional Panchayati Raj.
Yes, continue. Formation and
Formation.
composition and administration.
There are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in District Panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to the population of district. 50% seats are reserved for women. Concerned voters of the constituency elect their members. President and vice president are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Different committees like Executive Committee, Social Justice Committee, Education Committee, Constructive Committee, Health Committee, etc. are formed with the help of elected members. Tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years.
And the administration?
Administration. The administrative head of district panchayat is called DDO, District Development Officer. He or she is appointed by the state government. District panchayat integrates and implements the schemes of state government. Functions. District panchayat controls the activities of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat and help them. Manages and controls revenue, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. at district level. District health officers, district primary education officers, district agricultural officers, district social welfare officers, deputy executive engineer and are in charge
In
of
charge.
district panchayat.
Absolutely right. So, Rabia, Insha, Mahdesa, Zainab, listen. District Panchayat is the third level in the local self-government. कौन सा level पे बेटा? Third level. कौन से level पे?
Third level.
Yes, in the local self. Yes, in the local self-government. Now, district panchayat is the topmost level of the three-dimensional panchayati raj, which is the at the topmost level of the three-dimensional panchayati raj, beta district panchayat. Okay, is it clear? Now, formation. Okay, there are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in the district panchayat. How many members are there, beta?
52 members.
32 maximum and minimum कितने? 52 members.
52.
Okay. Yes, in the district panchayat, number of seats are decided according to the population of district. Again on the population. Okay. Now 50% seats are reserved for women. कितने seats women के लिए reserved है? 50%. Okay, and concerned voters of the constituency elect their members. उनके members कौन select करेगा? Concerned voters, okay, of the constituency. And beta, you know, the most important, president and vice president are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Majority votes किसको मिले हैं उसके हिसाब से इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को इलेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, नाउ द डिफरेंट committees like executive committee, social justice committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc. are formed with the help of elected members. And the tenure of district panchayat is 5 years. How much is the tenure of district panchayat, beta? 5 saal, 5 years. How much it is?
5 years.
Yes, the tenure of district panchayat is of 5 years. Now the administrative head of the district panchayat is called DDO. जैसे तालुका डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर वैसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर. ओके, एंड ही और शी इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. उनको कौन अपॉइंट करता है डीडीओ को? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. ओके, एंड अगेन he is appointed by the state government, and what does he do? He implements different schemes of the state government in the particular district. कोई भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स आती है उसको वो इम्प्लीमेंट करवाते हैं, है ना. तो ये सारा हुआ डिस्ट्रिक्ट डीडीओ की ड्यूटी के बारे में. अब फंक्शंस देते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत के क्या क्या फंक्शंस है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत कंट्रोल्स द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत. What does it do? Controls the activities of the Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat and help them. It manages and controls revenue, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. at district level. District health officers, district primary education officers, district agriculture officers, district social welfare officers, deputy officers, and executive engineers are in charge of district panchayat. So all this is about district administration, district panchayat. Is it clear, Zainab? Zainab, is it clear? Modesa, Insha? Modesa, Insha?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा,
clear.
clear. Can you revise it this paragraph beta once?
Ma'am, I am Amiri Fatima.
हाँ मेरी फातिमा, पढ़ोगे बेटा?
Yes. Ma'am, from where?
From first बेटा.
District Panchayat. District Panchayat is the third level in the local self-government. District Panchayat is the topmost level of third dimensional Panchayat Raj. Panchayati Raj government shall have minimum 31, maximum 52 members in district Panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to population.
एक मिनट, he is reading. कौन पढ़ रहा है?
Amiri Fatima.
मेरी फातिमा, थोड़ा लाउड पढ़ो और स्लो पढ़ो, फास्ट मत पढ़ो, दौड़ो मत वर्ड्स के साथ.
District 50% seats are reserved for women concerned voters of constantly elected. Their members, president and vice president, are elected by elected members on the basic majority. Different committees like executive committee, social justice committee, education committee, consultative committee, health committee, etc. are formed with the help of elected members. Term of the district panchayat is of 5 years. Administrative side of district panchayat is called DDO, District for Development of DC, appointed by the state government. District panchayat integrates and implements the of state government function. District panchayat controls activities of gram panchayat and taluka panchayat and helps them manage and controls review, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry, agriculture, etc. District level, district health officer, primary education officer, agriculture officer, district social welfare officer, executive engineers are encouraged of district panchayat.
Yes, understood everyone about district panchayat? Any doubt? Any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now see, this is a photo of the Social Justice Committee. Now we will see more about it. Social Justice Committee, okay? Yes, Rabia, can you read, beta?
Yes, ma'am. The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that weaker section of society can get education, health, and social and economical facilities. This committee is made of 5 members at the level of Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. The formation of Social Justice Committee is compulsory at the three levels of Panchayati Raj. Function of this committee is to impart justice to the weaker section.
Continue. Urban administration.
Urban administration. There is a municipality in the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakh or more. And both of these are known as the organization of local self-government. These areas are decided accordingly to the population. Elections are generally held after every 5 years. All the voters of city having voting rights can participate in the election. Corporation.
Yes, wait. Now let us finish this much. Now, thank you, Rabia. The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that weaker matlab ke, not health wise weaker, okay? Weaker section means those who are poor and those who are not affordable, okay? Such sections can get education, health, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकल फैसिलिटीज ओके वो सारे क्राइटेरिया पे सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी वर्कआउट करता है ठीक है दिस कमेटी इज मेड ऑफ 5 members at the level of taluka panchayat and district panchayat okay now the formation of social justice committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of panchayati raj okay जो फॉर्मेशन है सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी का इज वेरी मच कंपल्सरी एट ऑल 3 लेवल्स ऑफ पंचायती राज नाउ फंक्शंस ऑफ दिस कमेटी इज टू इम्पार्ट जस्टिस टू द वीकर सेक्शन ओके सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी का मेन फोकस क्या होता है बेटा कि जो वीकर सेक्शन है सोसाइटी के उनको जस्टिस मिले उनको न्याय मिले અંડરસ્ટુડ એટલે એનું નામ જ એવું છે સોશિયલ જસ્ટિસ કમિટી સોશિયલી બધાને હેલ્પફુલ થાય સોસાયટીને સ્પેશિયલી જે વીકર સેક્શન હોય એની માટે ક્લિયર બેટા રિપ્લાય યસ ઓર નો ક્લિયર ઓર નોટ not clear girls hello can you listen me hello girls
Yes, ma'am.
why no one is replying hello
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो बेटा
मैम वो फोन हैंग हो गया था ना इसलिए
हु इज इट
मैम महोदयसा
अच्छा मोदी से समझ में आया सोशल जस्टिस कमेटी के बारे में राबिया
Yes, ma'am.
ओके अब हम देखेंगे अर्बन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अर्बन पहले हमने क्या देखा था बेटा रूरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखो ये पंचायती राज में हमने फर्स्ट क्या देखा था, रूरल गवर्नेंस देखा था। यहाँ पे देख रहे हो रूरल गवर्नेंस, ग्राम पंचायत के ऊपर लिखा है, कैन यू से? हाँ, कैन यू सी गर्ल्स? राबिया कैन यू सी बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। अब हम देखेंगे अर्बन, रूरल એટલે વિલેજ એરિયા, ગાંવ એરિયા, ઓકે, વેર પોપ્યુલેશન ઇઝ લેસ. નાउ વી વિલ સી અબાઉટ અર્બન. અર્બન એટલે સિટી એરિયા. અર્બન મીન્સ વોટ બેટા?
City
Ur-
area.
हाँ, where the population is more, okay, that is urban administration. अब हम क्या देख रहे हैं, urban. First we saw about rural. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Modesa, read this paragraph, urban administration.
Yes, ma'am. Urban administration. There is a municipality in a city. In the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakh or more, and both of these are known as the
Organization.
of local self-government. This area are decided according to the population. Elections are generally held after every 5 years. All the votes of city having
Voting.
voting right can participate in the election.
Yes. So, urban administration. There is a municipality in the cities having the population of 1 lakh or more, and corporation, municipal corporation in the cities having the population of 5 lakhs or more. And both of these are known as organization of local self-government. What are they known as? Organization of local self-government. These areas are decided according to the population. How are they decided, beta? According to the population. And elections are generally held every 5 years. Again, हर एक में elections कब होते हैं? Every 5 years. Okay. All the voters of city having voting rights can participate in the election. Is it clear, the urban administration? Urban administration. Now we will see urban administration में corporation क्या काम करता है. What are the functions of corporation? Okay. Is it clear till above, beta?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Can I read?
Yes, you can read, beta, read.
Corporation. There are corporation in city generally have the population of up to 25,000 or more. Minimum number of candidates in corporation is candidate formation. Areas of municipality are divided into various bases of population. One what consists of 4 members. 50% out of them are reserved for women members. President and vice president to select from elected members. The president is the head of elected members. His her is of 2.5 years.
Tenure.
Tenure is of 2.5 years. He is chairman of corporation administration. Various committees are from the elected members. Committee, Health and Hygienic Committee, Conservation Committee, Construction Committee, Duty. As per the requirement, the head of the municipality as the chief officer of the municipality government. Function of following works are carried out for municipality for the well-being of people: water supply management, road management, disposal of wastewater, sanitation system, Administration of birth, death, and marriage, town planning and education management, fire extinguishing, action and education, the sale of renewable items, providing facilities of gardens and libraries, construction and maintenance of cultural
Maintenance,
buildings,
maintenance,
buildings and
auditoriums. Yes,
auditorium.
very good. Now we will see about corporation. Okay, जो corporation कहाँ पे formation होता है बेटा? कॉर्पोरेशन कहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन होता है? ऊपर ही हमने देखा जहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन मोर देन 5 lakhs हो. ओके, 5 lakhs or more than 5 lakhs. Okay, is it clear? There
Yes.
is, yes, there is corporation in the cities generally having the population of 25,000 or more. Okay, the minimum numbers of candidates is in corporation is 28. कितने members होते हैं? 28. Now how इसका formation कैसे होता है? तो again, areas of municipality are divided into various wards on the basis of population. Population के हिसाब से different wards में division होता है. One ward, कोई भी एक ward, one ward consists of 4 members. 50% of them are reserved for women members. Okay, 50% किसके लिए reserved होते हैं? Women members के लिए. And the president and vice president are selected from the elected members. कहाँ से select होता है? President and vice, yes, from the elected members. The president is the head of the elected members and his or her tenure is of 2.5 years. कितना tenure होता है बेटा? 2.5 years. And he is the chairman of the corporation. Okay, and the administration. Various committees are formed from the elected members. Executive committee, finance committee, health and hygiene committee, construction committee, etc. are constituted as per their requirement. The head of municipality is considered as the chief officer and he is appointed by the state government. Now we will see the functions. क्या functions है? Okay, the functions, the following works are carried out by municipality for the well-being of the people: water supply management, road management, disposal of water, wastewater, sanitation system, registration of birth, death, and marriages, town planning, education management, fire extinguisher, actions against the sale of inedible items, providing facility of gardens and libraries, and construction and maintenance of cultural buildings for or auditoriums. All these are functions of a corporation. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. चलो, राबिया, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ कॉर्पोरेशन रिवाइज कर लो, फिर नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
राबिया,
Yes, ma'am. Administration. Various committees are formed from elected members among which standing committee is the most important. The administrative head of the municipality is considered as municipal commissioner. He is appointed by the state government. Functions. There is more population in cities, so the work has to be done with more responsibility for the development and well-being of the citizens. Maintenance of public hygiene and
sanitation.
sanitation, provision and distribution of pure drinking water, drainage system, cleanliness and disposal of garbage, construction and maintenance of roads, arrangement of street lights, arrangement of primary education, construction of libraries, playgrounds, and gardens. Control adulteration,
Adulteration.
adulteration in the edible item, registration of birth, death, and marriages.
अच्छा, राबिया ये ऊपर के सब समझ में आ गई होगी क्योंकि ये सब हमने किया है। एक ये शायद आप लोग को नहीं समझ में आया होगा, सेकेंड लास्ट, कंट्रोल एडल्ट्रेशन इन द एडिबल आइटम, समझ में नहीं आया ना ये,
Yes,
है ना। इसका मतलब क्या होता है કે ભેળસેળ ના થાય, એડિબલ આઇટમ્સ એટલે ખાવા લાયક આઇટમ્સ, એમાં મિક્સિંગ ના થાય, એ પણ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું, રાઈટ। કંટ્રોલ adulterations in the edible items means the mixing of harmful chemicals or mixing of harmful things। कभी कभी कोई आउट ऑफ डेट थिंग्स भी खिला देते हैं, है ना, तो उनको भी कंट्रोल करना, समझाओ। भेड़सेड़ ना
yes,
થાય ખાવા લાયક વસ્તુમાં, अंडरस्टूड। बाकी तो सब हम समझ चुके हैं फंक्शंस, है ना।
yes.
चलो अब कलेक्टर के बारे में देख लेते हैं। चलो रीड करो, कंटिन्यू करो राबिया।
Collector. Collector is an administrative head of the district. Besides being collector, he or she works as a district
मैजिस्ट्रेट।
magistrate and district election officer. Candidates are selected through UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, or through promotion. State government appoints him or her. He or she maintains the administrative system in the district. It is collector's duty to ensure that there is no shortage of essential commodities in
कमोडिटीज।
the district.
अभी कलेक्टर कलेक्टर तो भाई बहुत हिज वर्क, हिज और हर वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, right, because he and she has many rights, right, so he is the administrative head of the district, okay। Besides being collector, he or she works as a district magistrate, district election officer, etc etc, right। and how are they selected by UPSC एग्जाम, आपने बहुत बार न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा होगा यूपीएससी एग्जाम के बारे में, है ना। यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन एग्जाम होते हैं, और थ्रू प्रमोशंस, या फिर कभी कभी प्रमोशंस में भी दे आर इलेक्टेड, कोई अच्छा बंदा हो उसको प्रमोशन मिलती रहती है ना, सो ही इज इलेक्टेड। नाउ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट्स हिम और हर अगेन, and he or she maintains administrative system in the district government, in the district, right, and it is collector's duty to ensure that there are no shortage of essential commodities in the district। now we will see what are his duties, okay। district collector के duties क्या होते हैं। yes, continue राबिया। yes राबिया, continue the role of district collector। yes girls, can you listen me।
Yes, ma'am.
yes I think राबिया is not able to listen, कोई और read करेगा बेटा।
Ma'am, can I read?
yes read बेटा।
Can I read Modesa?
Role, role of district collector is very important in Panchayat Raj. Coordination and managing the works of all departments at the district level. Collector is the security of district
सिक्योरिटी
planning
नहीं,
community.
सेक्रेटरी, सिक्योरिटी नहीं बेटा, सेक्रेटरी।
Secretary of district planning committee, which is responsible for the development of district.
entire
Which
district।
means entire district. It determines the
The
number
number?
of members of the number of members of the Gram Panchayat, allots the reserved
seats,
received the seat
reserved
seats in Gram Panchayat, reserved the seats in Gram Panchayat, and the receive the procedure of Sarpanchai for the scheduled caste tribe, socially and education backward class and women.
Yes. Absolutely right. And role of district development and district collector is very important in Panchayat Raj. Girls, if you don't mind, we'll continue from here in the next class because these roles of district panchayat are very lengthy. Uh, if you don't mind, we'll continue this in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I like to